Hello student, in previous lecture we saw Elizabethan theatre, Restoration theatre, modern theatre and postmodern theatre. Now we will see the last point, Indian theatre. Earliest seeds of modern Indian drama can be found in the Sanskrit drama from the 1st century. A.D. Mahabhashya by Patanjali provides a feasible date for the beginning of theatre in India. The major source of evidence is a treatise on theatre, Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni is the most complete work of dramatology in the ancient world. It gives mythological account of the origin of theatre. Modern Indian drama, however, has influences from all over the world as well as Sanskrit and Urdu tradition. In this paragraph, seeds of modern Indian drama can be found in the Sanskrit drama from 1st century AD. Mahabhashya by Patanjali, considered to be first work of theatre in India. A treatise on theatre, Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni. Modern Indian drama has influences from all over the world as well as from Sanskrit and Urdu tradition. Mahabhashya by Patanjali, the 1st century AD. Natya Shastra. Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni. Modern Indian drama has influences from all over the world as well as Sanskrit and Urdu tradition. Now we will see given table history of drama. There are three columns. In column first, periods in history are given to us. In column second, types of play, and last point number 3, third column, classics means plays. We will see the next point, medieval period 11th to 15th century, reign of Henry VI. In this period, didactic plays, mystery plays, miracle plays, cycle plays, morality plays were written and performed on this stage. Robin Hood by Howard Pyle, Everyman, etc. Next point number 2, Renaissance period. Renaissance period started 1600 to 1700. Reign of Elizabeth I and James I. In this era, tragic comedy, melancholy, this is revenge play. Now see important plays. Romeo and Juliet. This is tragedy. A Midsummer Night Dream. This is comedy. Henry IV. This is historical play by Shakespeare. Duchess of Malfi is an example of revenge play by John Webster. The Changeling by Thomas Middleton. These are important period. Number 3, Restoration period. Restoration period started 1660 onward, reign of Charles II. Now, in this era, heroic drama, pathetic drama, after that, restoration comedy. All for Love, This is Tragedy by John Dryden. The Way of the World, This is Comedy by William Congreve. Next point, number 4, Victorian period started 1837 to 1901. Reign of Queen Victoria. This was a period of Queen Victoria. In this era, all types of a play were written and performed. We will see important play. First, importance of being earnest by Oscar Wilde. Candida. Candida by G.B. Shaw. A Doll's House. A Doll's House by Henrik Ibsen. And An Enemy of the People by Henrik Ibsen. Last point, number 5, modern period. Modern period started 1901 to 1945. In this era, stream of consciousness, absurd play, poetic drama, radio drama. Now see important play. Pygmalion by G.B. Shaw. Murder in the Cathedral, poetic drama by T.S. Eliot. Last point, post-modern era 1945 to 2000. Almost all types of drama were performed. Kitchen sink drama, Look Back in Anger by John Osborne. Waiting for Godot by Samuel Beckett. So student, we will see next point tomorrow.